Looking for the best cordless drills in the market? You're in the right place. Cordless drills are versatile tools, essential for every DIY enthusiast or professional. They offer mobility, power and convenience in tackling tasks big or small. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? We've considered factors such as power, durability, battery life and price to bring you a top 6 countdown of the best cordless drills money can buy. Join us as we count down the top 6 cordless drills you should consider buying. Starting us off at number 6, we have the Bosch PS312A12 VMAX 3/8 in drill. This tool is a tiny titan, with its resilient motor promoting effective operation and prolonged motor life. It's a compact marvel, fitting snugly into those tricky-to-reach spots regularly cause headaches. Its robust battery ensures that your work doesn't need to halt, allowing you to accomplish your tasks with ease. Plus, it's an absolute steal. This drill ticks every box for those in search of a compact, cost-effective yet powerful tool. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates and check out the product links in the description below. At number 5, we have the Rigid 18V Brushless Sub Compact Cordless 1/2 in drill. This compact dynamo highlights a lightweight design that doesn't sacrifice on with 2-speed gear. It's perfect for both heavy-duty and precision tasks. The Rigid's robustness and reliability are other standout features, ensuring it can endure even the harshest of work conditions. Its top-notch performance, together with user comfort, sets it apart from the rest. This provides an excellent balance between performance and comfort, making it a valuable investment. Continuing on, the drill taking the 4th spot is the Ryobi P215K 18V 1+ lithium-ion cordless 1/2-inch drill, and snagging the 3rd position, we have the DeWalt 20 VMAX cordless drill. The Ryobi P215K is a true beast of power. It doesn't just perform, it astounds. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it effortlessly manages the hardest tasks. Its keyless chuck supports quick and easy bit alterations, making it a multifaceted tool for any venture. It's not about brute strength, it's about the intelligent application of that strength. With the Ryobi P215K, the reins are in your hands. Now, let's shift our attention to the DeWalt 20 VMAX. This drill is the embodiment of speed and productivity. Its high-speed transmission allows for 2-speed variations, empowering users to select the performance level required for diverse tasks. The design promotes improved comfort, balance, and enhanced tool handling. But what distinguishes it is its long-lasting battery life, enabling you to keep working with minimal interruptions. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated DIY hobbyist, these drills deliver remarkable power and convenience. Let's move on to number 2, the Makita XFD 13118 VLXT registered trademark lithium-ion brushless cordless 1/2 inches driver drill. What makes this drill stand out is its brushless motor, which not only improves power and speed, but also lengthens the lifespan of the tool. The Makita XFD 131 is known for its compact and ergonomic design, providing comfort when handling, even for prolonged periods, thus minimizing user fatigue. Its 18V LXT registered trademark lithium-ion battery offers extended run time, thereby allowing you to carry out your without any interruptions. Not to forget the built-in LED light feature that illuminates your workspace in low-light situations. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, high-performance tool that provides both power and convenience, you can't go wrong with the Makita XFD 131. Go anywhere as we unveil our top pick next. And now, the ultimate spot. At number 1, we have the Milwaukee M1818V lithium-ion 1/2-inch cordless drill. Let's dive into the exceptional features that make this drill the undisputed champion. The Milwaukee M18 is celebrated for its powerful motor. This isn't just any ordinary motor, it's a frameless 4-pole motor that dishes out an astonishing 500 inch-pounds of peak torque. This means it can comfortably tackle the most demanding drilling and fastening, but the Milwaukee M18 isn't just about brute strength, it also prides itself on RedLink Plus intelligence, Milwaukee's state-of-the-art system of cordless power tool electronics. RedLink Plus amplifies the performance of the drill while also shielding it from overload, ensuring its longevity. Speaking of long-lasting, let's talk about durability. The Milwaukee M18 features an all-metal gear case and chuck, granting maximum impact and shock resistance. This drill is engineered to withstand even in the most rigorous conditions. As we uncover more about the superior features of the Milwaukee M18, there's no more anticipation as it's crowned the best. The Milwaukee M18 is clearly the drill to beat. If you're after a drill that delivers unrivaled power and durability, the Milwaukee M18 is the drill for you. This is our top pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee M1818V lithium-ion half-inch cordless drill. Its superior power, exceptional durability, and innovative design make it a standout choice for any DIY enthusiast. And there you have it, the top 6 cordless drills on the market. Make your choice and power up your toolkit.